Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get face tracking on Roblox. So if you haven't enabled yet, I'll show you how can you do that. First of all, go to three dot and go to settings. In setting, click on privacy. In privacy, guys, you just need to scroll down and here you just need to enable camera. So basically, if you allow camera from privacy, which allow you to animate your avatar with the movement, just click on this toggle button next to it to enable the camera. Basically, by enabling your camera, you are allowing the Roblox to use your camera. So the green dot will indicate that Roblox is using a camera in the game. So once you enable the camera from here, just click on any game that supports camera as communication and which allow you to do face tracking. Now, once you are in the game, guys, just if you want to enable the face tracking, you can see that I have two icons over my avatar's head. As you can see, if you want to get face tracking, you just need to click on uh, the second one, the video icon. As you can see, let me go to a suitable location which where I can show you the right background. So this is the background I want. As you can see here, there is a video icon. Click on it. By clicking on it, you will get this face cam, and also it also showing the green dot which saying that Roblox is using your camera. So now if you move your head, it will start animating with you. Fine. This is how you can enable the face tracking on Roblox. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.